What is up, you guys? It's your favorite producer, Ron, and today I'm gonna show you guys how I cook up Boom Bap beats with Maschine. Let's get into it.
Ron got the recipe.
Let's talk drums. Now, for the drums for this record, I went with the Sierra Groove expansion pack from Native Instruments. The preset that I use like on everything is called Butter Kit, B-U-T-T-A Kit. So for this beat, what I really want to do was leave room. That's super important. Leaving room for whatever artist hops on the beat to sing, or maybe like talk a little smack in between there and get right back to it, getting busy again. So what I did here was keep the drums in the pocket, basically on the 1 and the 3. Once you have your drums put together, the next thing you want to do is export your drums from Maschine and import them into Ableton. I also recommend stemming your drums out. Each track should be separate. This way, when you import them into Ableton or Pro Tools or Studio One or whatever you're using, you can go ahead and manipulate each of those drums however you like. So the first thing I do, pull the piano out. I went with the Alicia Keys piano, super solid piano from Native Instruments. I used the big auditorium preset, and I also threw on not guitar rig. I threw on a Native Instruments plugin that not too many people know about. It's called Choral. Choral is pretty much like the drip plugin, but instead it's a lot more simpler. You just slap it on there and just go through your presets. That's basically all I did to get that piano effect. So I kept the piano on all the downbeats. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, I go into my piano roll and I kind of scoot things manually because I don't want to quantize. This is Boom Bap, and I kind of want that laid back kind of feel. As always, guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and let's get back into it. Let's talk bass. The bass isn't really doing too much here. It's pretty much just 5 keys, 5 notes over and over again. And what I wanted to do here was just complement the piano. I didn't want to add too much to it. Wanted just to be right there in the back, just chill, doing its own thing. I did add guitar rig on top of that bass for some real effect. You know I gotta go with my Rickenbacker Bass, but in guitar rig, the preset that I personally use is DI Bass. You can get to that by simply going to Bass, Bass Styles, DI Bass. After that, I go back into my piano roll, same thing with the piano, and I just, move things over. If I didn't play it all the way, it's all good. Remember, this is Boom Bap, so we don't really want things to be in front of the beat or on the beat. We kind of want to be behind the beat.
Hey, what's up, guys? Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more content. Like the video, share it with your friends, and let me know how you feel in the comments, man. I really appreciate it. Peace.